Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you don't know me yet, I am Lisa and today I have a very interesting haul you guys. Today I'm going to share with you how I got all these products here for just 199 rupees. Yes, I'm not kidding. I got all these products just for 199 rupees and I am going to share it with you guys. But before getting started, let me just get it out there. This video is not sponsored, it is not a paid promotion, it is not even a collaboration, nothing. I just came across this wonderful, amazing thing. I am very excited to share with you guys. Okay, so I got to know about Smitten from Instagram. Actually, it was an ad that popped up on my Instagram page and I was really interested, so I checked it out. Smitten is basically an online store to get your beauty supplies, skincare, hair care stuff, just like Nykaa or Purple, stuff like that. You get beauty supplies, not a lot of makeup products though, they have a lot of skincare products. So what's interesting with Smitten is the first time you sign up or register, you get 6 trial points to get trial size products like from Plum or Mamaearth or maybe Mother's Purse products, some trial size products. They have around 200, more than 200 trial size products to choose from. You can get 6 trial size products with your trial points the first time you sign up. Some products would cost you like 1 trial point, some might cost you like 2 to 3 trial points depending on the size of the products. I got myself some free trial size products that of course I'm going to share with you guys. Although I had to pay 199 rupees as service charges. If you choose to pay online, then you will pay 199 rupees. If you choose cash on delivery option, you are going to pay 250 rupees. I paid 199 rupees as I paid online. There was no problem with my delivery. I got my products pretty fast. I ordered on a Friday and I got my products on Monday morning. Yes, it was that fast. Before moving forward, if you guys really decide to give Smitten a try, then please use my referral code here. I will not get any money of course, but I will get some more trial points to get some more trial size products to try on and to share with you guys. So definitely use my referral code here. I had ordered my 6 trial size products and with my purchase I got this amazing pouch free with my purchase. This is not leather. I would never buy leather products. I don't use leather products. This is not leather, but this is a very nice pouch you guys. The quality is very nice on this and look at the size. It's not bad. Yeah. And the color is so cute. There are actually 3 colors you can choose from. I chose this one. I'm going to keep this one for my sister. She just loves this kind of pouch. Yeah. The first product that I have got is a green tea daylight sunscreen with SPF 35. This is from Plum. I have been thinking of getting this product for a very long time because I love Plum moisturizers and products a lot. I have not used it yet. Oh wow, this smells like green tea. See, it this is a very lightweight moisturizer and it smells like green tea. If you have used their like green tea mattifying moisturizer, it is exactly like that, just with SPF 35. I like Plum's products. They are really good for sensitive and oily skin. So the next one I have is again from Plum. This one is their chamomile and white tea matte day cream with SPF 50. I really wanted to get this one as well. I was actually thinking which one to get, this one or this one. Now I can try both of this and can choose from this. So this is with SPF 50 and it is a very thick moisturizer. You can see it smells like kind of a sunscreen. Yeah, it smells like sunscreen. but it's okay. It gives a quite matte finish to my skin. I kind of like this one. Yeah, both of these products are how much? Let's see. Both of these products are 15 ml, and the regular size of these two products are retailing for around 400-500 rupees. I don't know exactly. This is actually a very nice way to try these products and to decide which one to get. The amount in here is really good for around 7 days, I will say, and kind of gives us a good time to decide which one is better for our skin. Next one I have is this scrub from McCaffeine. I really wanted to try this product. Wow, this smells like coffee, you guys. I mean, the quantity, look at the quantity. It is good for around 2 to 3 uses, I will say. I can get 2 to 3 uses out of this. I really have heard a lot of good things about McCaffeine body scrub, and this one I really wanted to try. So the next one I have is Olly Magic Potion Mattifying Massage Gel with aloe vera and turmeric. This kind of looks like, has no smell to it. It kind of looks like a blue gel. I think it is a moisturizer. I don't know what it is supposed to do. I will read about it and let you know. So next I have some coffee. I really wanted to try this. I am a huge coffee person. I'm a huge coffee lover, you guys. I drink around 4 to 5 cups of coffee every single day, and this is Colombian brew, and yeah, it is mint chocolate instant mocha. There are 4 pouches of this. I will try it tomorrow. Right now it is 8 in the evening and I don't want to drink coffee. I will try this one tomorrow. Yeah, I will let you know how it tastes like. And the last product I have is a lip balm. Of course, I love any kind of lip balm. This is, wow, it smells like coconut. This is a coconut lip balm from Sage, and I think this is the regular size because all the lip balms come in this kind of size. So yeah, it is good. So guys, all these products I got, all these products I got for only 200 rupees, and tell me that this is not a good deal. According to me, it is a wonderful deal. I am hooked here, guys. I am really hooked. I kind of need more trial points to get more trial size products. You know what? Use my referral code and let me have some trial points, guys, please. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy all these products this week. I will catch you guys next week with something more interesting. Until then, take care, guys. Bye bye.